Nasabod ako sa ano guys, nasabod ako sa dahon ng saging. So this is our farm to Market Road guys. So we go on the other way around and then we stay here. With diretso kami guys. Grabe yung driver ko guys, talagang master cutter. So ang sapa guys medyo malubog-lubog and this is the right way. Langoy si motor guys, langoy. Ganon kahirap dito guys, magkalisang lisod. Daming banana, banana. Whose uma is this? And now guys, we are going to tawid the sapa. And that's the payag with the dugi. So hindi pa siya paha guys. Si motor guys, nagkaano na guys, ang tawag niyan guys, tabi-tabi po, dadaan po kami. Oh, this is the new so ayan na siya guys. Agay, panabangan. Yakang ni motor guys, grabe. Ayaw pag good driver guys, master driver guys, professional driver.
No.
Muddy road. Yan din, sok-sok na kami dito guys. Kamas na si motor guys. So this is a little bit easy but not so easy. Ayan na siya. So okay guys, the blade in the forest. Saring. Ayan na siya guys. So there are lots of branches guys, kaya we must be careful our head and eye. The guava has no bunga. Are there? Hilaw pa siya guys. And now we are going to liko na here. So we used to go that way. Look at these branches guys of the bamboo. Look at that guys. Woohoo! So agwan takid si motor guys. Kay mga tapulan mi guys, mulakad ba. Oh, naiwan na yung Pag tamad ka maglakad guys, mag-antos ka talagang magmotor nya ay pagod driver. Diba? And this is the Tunaan guys, Tunaan. Tuna hong kabaw. Si motor na ang ito na. Okay, this is Hayahay Park guys ng daanan. So it's a little bit easy na here. Ayan. So we're close to the payag. And that's it guys. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.